My name is Becky Strathearn. I'm the Director of Admissions at Villa Maria College. It has completely changed everything because when I started at the college, we were using Excel. So it was very, very difficult to track, to know what was going on. And now we have a database where we can see if they've opened up emails. We can see the whole text conversations. We can see where they are in the funnel stage. So it is just amazing that all of us can work together and jump in and help each other all in one platform. It is awesome. So I am really bad at technology and they help me all the time, and I'm completely shocked because usually you feel like you're asking a dumb question, and nobody has ever made me feel badly about any of my questions, even though I might have asked the same one multiple times. The specific problem that we had was definitely low enrollment. So we just all knew we had to get our enrollment up. We needed a CRM that could do that for us because we wanted to keep our jobs, keep the college open. So we definitely needed Element.